ADB, or Android Debug Bridge. It's a command line utility included with Google's Android SDK. ADB can control your device over USB from a computer, copy files back and forth, install and uninstall apps, run shell commands, and many more things. So let's go ahead and install ADB into Kali. So you go to Kali, open the web browser, search for Install ADB Kali. Click on the first website, scroll down a bit, and we'll first update the packages. So open the terminal screen and switch user to root. Run apt update. Now install ADB with the atp get install Android Tools ADB command. And you might have to wait a bit. All right, so installation is completed successfully, so we can run ADB. And have a look at this. These are the options for ADB.